What if the device about to change your entire digital life isn't in your pocket, but sitting right on your face? A new wave of AI glasses can translate languages instantly, navigate your world, capture moments hands-free, and put a personal assistant in front of your eyes. So let's jump right into the list. Beat 1. Halo Vision X1. For starters, the Halo Vision X1 takes wearable displays to a level most people didn't think was coming this soon. Picture carrying a massive virtual screen everywhere you go, with crisp, ultra-responsive visuals and no bulky monitor anchoring you to a desk. The lightweight frame hides a stunning micro-OLED display running at a remarkable 240Hz refresh rate, which makes fast motion look razor sharp whether you're gaming or watching a film. It layers in premium open-ear audio, precise head tracking, and adjustable dimming so you can dial the brightness to match any room. Working on a flight, streaming a show on the couch, or diving into a competitive match, the Halo Vision X1 feels like a futuristic portable theater you simply wear. This is the kind of device that makes you forget a TV was ever necessary. Beat 2. Lumen Daily AI. Lumen Daily AI is the sort of wearable that makes you wonder why everyone isn't already wearing intelligence on their face. These slim, lightweight glasses look almost ordinary, yet they're loaded with genuinely powerful AI features. Imagine real-time translation of a conversation, turn-by-turn navigation appearing as you walk, a voice assistant on call, and instant context about whatever you're looking at, all without ever reaching for a phone. The discrete camera and open-ear audio make the whole thing feel natural instead of intrusive. Lumen leans into practical, everyday use rather than flashy effects, and the frame is comfortable enough to forget you're wearing it. If you want future tech that actually slots into real life, this pair is impossible to ignore. Beat 3. Clary Sight Focus. Here's where things take a sharp turn. Clary Sight Focus approaches smart glasses from a completely different angle, and that's exactly what makes it fascinating. Instead of chasing entertainment or flashy overlays, this pair is built to protect and strengthen your vision. Using adaptive lens technology and AI-guided visual training, Clary Sight aims to cut the eye strain that piles up after hours of staring at screens. The frame stays light and comfortable for all-day wear, while a companion app tracks your progress and your eye health habits over time. In an era where we look at displays more than ever, Clary Sight Focus feels less like a gadget and more like a wellness device for your eyes. Beat 4. Axon Air Standalone. Axon Air Standalone feels like one of the closest things yet to a true self-contained AR computer. Where most smart glasses lean heavily on a paired phone, this pair is engineered to handle plenty on its own. You can pull up live translations, navigation, AI assistance, notifications, and media straight from the glasses themselves, building a genuinely hands-free experience. The advanced display floats useful information right into your line of sight, so everyday tasks feel effortless instead of cluttered. Pair that with a lightweight build and serious AR muscle, and the Axon Air gives you a real glimpse of a future where the wearable computer quietly replaces the screens we lug around today. It's the rare device that makes the smartphone feel like the middleman. Beat 5. Nova Sense AI. Nova Sense AI is proof that powerful artificial intelligence is becoming more accessible than anyone expected. This pair blends a sleek, lightweight design with features that feel pulled from a few years into the future, translating a conversation in real time, getting instant directions, recognizing objects in front of you, snapping hands-free photos and video. It all happens from a set of glasses that look perfectly ordinary. The built-in assistant stays ready to answer questions and handle small daily tasks, trimming the constant urge to check your phone. With solid performance and a price that won't scare anyone off, Nova Sense AI delivers a surprisingly futuristic experience aimed squarely at everyday users. It's the kind of value that drags this whole category into the mainstream. Beat 6. Trailblaze Active HUD. Trailblaze Active HUD is built for people who need their tech to keep pace with a moving body. Cycling, running, hiking, or exploring somewhere brand new, this pair puts the information you need right in front of your eyes without yanking your attention off the road ahead. Live navigation, fitness tracking, performance stats, and clean AR overlays create a heads-up display that looks like something from a futuristic sports film. The frame stays light and secure through long sessions, and the display holds up clearly across bright sun, shade, and everything between. If you want a wearable that fuses fitness, adventure, and cutting-edge intelligence into one package, Trailblaze Active HUD belongs on your radar. It turns every workout into something that feels a little bit superhuman. Beat 7. MemoMind One. MemoMind One might be the most futuristic and the most controversial pair on this entire list. These AI-driven glasses are designed to work like a personal memory assistant, helping you hold on to conversations, appointments, key details, and the small daily interactions that usually slip away. Imagine an AI that not only sees what you see, but actually grasps the context and offers genuinely useful suggestions as your day unfolds. From navigation and messaging help to intelligent reminders and real-time insights, MemoMind One feels like a wearable companion lifted straight out of science fiction. If this technology hits its full stride, it could completely rewrite how we deal with information and memory in ordinary life. It's thrilling and a little unsettling, and that's precisely why people can't stop talking about it. Beat 8. Meta Ray-Ban display. Meta's Ray-Ban display isn't just another entry in the category. It feels like the first real glimpse of the mainstream future. Checking directions, reading notifications, translating a conversation, and pulling AI-powered answers without ever drawing your phone out of your pocket. That's exactly what this pair is built to do. Wrapped in a sleek Ray-Ban frame, it packs a built-in display, a 12-megapixel camera, and deep Meta AI integration, so everything plays out right in your field of view. The gesture-controlled neural band makes interactions feel almost like magic, reading subtle finger movements to control the interface. If smart glasses truly go mainstream, the Meta Ray-Ban display could be the device leading the charge. This is the one that pulls the rest of the world into the category. Beat 9. Spectre G Pro. Spectre G Pro proves that smart glasses don't have to look futuristic to feel futuristic. At first glance, they read as a normal pair of stylish frames, but tucked inside is serious AI built for everyday life. The lightweight design projects notifications, translations, reminders, and useful information directly into your field of view without ever pulling you out of the real world. What sets the G Pro apart is its clean, camera-free approach, which hands users a more private and professional experience in rooms where a lens would feel intrusive. With impressive battery life and a stripped-back, minimalist look, these glasses feel less like a device and more like a natural extension of your daily routine. For anyone who wants the intelligence without the spotlight, this is the quiet standout. Beat 10. Aperture X3 Pro. Save the boldest for last, because the Aperture X3 Pro looks like it walked straight off a sci-fi set. This next-generation pair fuses advanced augmented reality with heavy-duty AI to deliver an experience that feels years ahead of where the category sits today. The full-color display can project digital information directly into your view, while the onboard intelligence handles translation, navigation, object recognition, and real-time assistance on the fly. What's truly impressive is a display bright enough to stay readable even outdoors in direct sun, which makes it genuinely practical instead of a demo-only novelty. Add premium cameras, precise spatial tracking, and powerful processing, and you end up with a wearable that feels less like glasses and more like a personal computer mounted to your eyes. It's the clearest signal yet that the phone era is running out of road. And there you have it, 10 AI glasses pushing us closer to a world where the smartphone is no longer the center of our digital lives. From real-time translation and onboard assistance, to immersive AR displays and futuristic productivity tools, the future is literally sitting in front of our eyes. Which pair impressed you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing future tech and AI gadget videos coming soon.